If you're watching this video, you're probably fairly familiar with Squarespace's platform and have a functioning site to prove it. To follow up on the Getting Started series, we're going to go over the next steps in taking your site's appearance, content, and online footprint to the next level. In the last series, we created a site for a small production studio and built a framework for highlighting new content and engaging site visitors. In this series, we're going to focus on expanding that framework in order to build a larger following. So let's get started. Many people use cover pages as their site's homepage. With this, visitors see an image that instantly describes the work we do or establishes the tone of the site. Overlaid text provides more context or a call to action. Cover pages are also a great way to notify customers of announcements or changes, like that your site is under construction. We'll add one while we're redesigning our site. You can do this by navigating to the Pages panel and the New Page menu. To customize it, we can use the Pages Editing panel. We'll first choose a layout that generally suits the look of our site. Add the site title and tagline again. And then change the background image. We recommend using images that directly relate to the subject matter of your site. You can shoot your own high-resolution photos of your product or service you're providing with simple well-lit backdrops. Another option is to have images that establish a tone or mood for your site. Images of indoor or outdoor spaces, especially ones where you're based out of, are great for this. If you don't have many images of your own, or want some new ones, you can click the Search Images button to find free stock images through Unsplash, or click on the Premium button to view pictures that can be purchased through Getty Images. I'm looking for an image that's wide enough for the Pages banner and relevant to my site's purpose and style. But in this case, we'll use our own image. On that note, proper formatting matters when using your own images. Here are some basic guidelines that we follow. We like to keep images 1500 pixels wide or less. Our system resizes anything wider to 1500 pixels. Also, don't worry as much about image height. Our system resizes that to maintain the original aspect ratio. For crisp images with a high resolution, use images with a high number of pixels. For file format, use GIF, JPEG, or PNG. And for color mode, use the web's RGB mode. CMYK is for printing. With many cover pages, you can also add a video background, as seen here. To direct visitors to the most important pages of your site, you can add buttons or navigation links. Since we'll still want visitors to be able to contact us during the site redesign, we'll add a contact form that opens up in a lightbox. This allows reaching out or signing up for, say, a newsletter to be as quick, easy, and clean as possible. Lastly, we'd want to place this homepage in the Not Linked section so that it doesn't display in the navigation links in the site header. We're one step closer to revamping our site and making it more enticing for our visitors. Next, we'll take this idea a bit further with a blog page.